Before making Arduino self-driving vehicle, I installed Fritzing to preview schematics. Fritzing has been paid for recently. However, you can still find a free version on other sites. I'll look for it on Google. If you search for the word Fritzing on Google, you will find the following site. I put a link in the comment below the video. After unzipping, you will find the following folder. You can run fritzing.exe without installation. It takes a very long time to run for the first time. It seems to update the circuit files inside. When you update a file, it confirms that you want to delete the existing file. Please click the delete button. After the update is complete, the next time you run it, it will work immediately. When it runs, just click on the breadboard menu. Let's start designing autonomous vehicles from now on. But the breadboard is unnecessarily too big. You can delete it first. I'll put the smaller ones later. Deleted. Select Arduino Uno and drag and drop. Enter Tiny Bread in the search bar. Click the search button, and drag and drop. Now we need a motor driver. Enter L9110, a typical DC motor driver, in the search box and click the search button. However, there are no search results. In this case, you can find and insert the L9110 Fritzing module separately. Found it? Just download it. Simply drag and drop the downloaded file in the circuit diagram screen. There is no gear motor either. You can search for the following keywords. Simply drag and drop the downloaded file in the circuit diagram screen. Changed. When connecting the wire, if it is red, it means that the connection is not done properly. Select the wire and press the right button to choose the wire color. The 9V battery added. Ultrasonic sensor added. Completed.